Based on enterprise security requirements, SealSuite supports manual configuration of endpoint device antivirus policies. Firstly, we need to create a new policy. Enter a name to identify the current policy. This indicates the priority level of the current policy. You can adjust the risk levels of various threats based on your organization's security requirements. Scheduled scanning. You can schedule a scan task outside of office hours for either the default path or a custom-defined path. Real-time scanning detects threats as they occur. When enabling sensitive directory monitoring, be cautious. Monitoring directories with large path ranges may result in performance overhead. For the remaining settings, you can leave them at their default values, as there are our recommended configurations. Flexible configuration of resource occupancy modes allows you to balance user experience and security protection as needed. The default action enables log auditing, with an option to also enable file isolation. Once enabled, the system will isolate any detected malicious files. You can choose whether to enable notifications. When enabled, the system will proactively display a pop-up alert when a malicious file is detected. System protection detects and controls the execution of suspicious PowerShell scripts. You can set how to handle detected suspicious PowerShell scripts. As the final step before saving, define the scope of users to whom this policy will apply. Ensure the newly created policy is activated. After configuring the endpoint antivirus policy, SealSuite will continuously monitor the security status of employee devices within the policy scope. Click to view detailed information about the source file of the detected virus. Click Remediation to view the real-time virus status of the client in the pop-up device information window.